Hello, we are Team Wanderlust, and today we'll be showing you our progress for the project that we are making. So we have created an introductory video to show a general public what our chatbot does.
Have you ever dreamed of exploring a city as vibrant and diverse as Los Angeles? Do you wonder what secrets and stories lie in its bustling streets, its hidden corners? What if you had a guide to lead you through every step of this journey? Stay tuned. New way to travel is about to unfold.
Meet Emily, a passionate solo traveler and a devoted pet enthusiast. She's on her way to explore the vibrant city of Los Angeles, seeking to immerse herself in the local culture and visit its famous landmarks. Emily meticulously planned her journey, aiming to experience the best of what Los Angeles has to offer. But amidst her busy itinerary, she missed out on a hidden gem, the Cuddly Cat Cafe and Happy Hour, a haven for pet lovers like herself. It's only after her trip that Emily discovers this delightful pet-friendly cafe, a missed opportunity that she deeply regrets. If only there was a way to stay informed about such unique experiences. Enter Wanderlust, the traveler who did a lot that could have transformed Emily.
When we search for travel ideas, we're bombarded with countless results. Top 10 lists, travel blogs, endless reviews. It can be overwhelming, confusing, and frankly, exhausting. With Wanderlust, say goodbye to endless scrolling and conflicting advice. This intelligent travel assistant understands your preferences, suggests destinations tailored just for you, and keeps you up to date with the most exciting upcoming events and seasonal activities. Whether it's a hidden beach getaway, a cultural city excursion, or an adventurous mountain retreat, Wanderlust simplifies your journey from dreaming to doing.
But Wanderlust is not just about words. Let's see how it brings the world closer with its image processing capabilities. Let's go back to Emily. Emily often finds herself wondering about unknown destinations she sees in Instagram Reels, TikTok, or her friends' stories. With Wanderlust, Emily simply needs to upload a photo of any place that piques her curiosity. So, whether it's a photo from a magazine, a screenshot from a friend, or a curious spot you stumbled upon online, Wanderlust turns a snapshot into your next travel story.
This flowchart represents how our system integrates various models and extensions, enabling a seamless and powerful user experience. Let's dive in. First, we begin with the interface mode selection. Here, users choose their interaction style. Whether it's through a conversational chat interface or by selecting specific models and parameters, this step ensures a tailored experience for every user. Next, we move to the model backend selection. We are using Ouroboros 4-bit quantized model with 7 billion parameters. It is a fine-tuned version of Llama 2 model and can be loaded using Llama CPP. Then we come to model operations. Users can not only load and unload models using LoRa, but also have the option to train new models, like QLoRa, enhancing our system's adaptability and efficiency. Wanderlust's versatility is further highlighted in the extensions and multimodal step. This feature, powered by Blip by Salesforce, seamlessly blending image and text data processing. Finally, we have the chat mode templates. This feature utilizes predefined templates for various dialogue systems, such as Llama 2 Chat and Alpaca, ensuring a robust and engaging chat experience.
So, let's embrace the joy of travel again. With Wanderlust, exploring the world is just the beginning. Thank you, and here's to many happy travels.
So this was our introductory video, and next we are implementing retrieval augmented generation. So our data set that we are collecting is something that some restaurants or blog posts or people who are experiencing their themes in a particular seasonal activities will be posting on internet, and we will be scraping those data and then we'll create the embeddings of that. And we are using mini LLM Hugging Face embeddings model, which is free. And then we will be storing it in a vector database. So once that is done, a user query will be prompted, and then the data that is stored in the form of embeddings will be added as a system prompt, and which will be given to our large language model to generate the answer. Now let's talk about our large language model, Aeroboros.
So the main reason that we have gone with the Aeroboros model is it is a fine-tuned Llama 2 version model, and it is particularly trained on the additional data samples like synthetic data generated by the GPT-4, which actually makes the model to understand a lot more about the language context, and particularly tuning it to a specific task like coding or like a game, or like in our case it is to the travel chatbot. So as the model is already trained on many data samples of synthetic data generated by the GPT-4, it has a very good knowledge, and also the manual labor of training the large language model with additional data labeling, which is costly. So the synthetic data of Aeroboros model makes it more robust and accurate. And this is the main reason that we have implemented the Aeroboros model into our travel chatbot. And the further is continued. Now, how to get text information about an image? So for that, we are using Blip, a a Hugging Face based by Salesforce. So here, first we are giving an input as an image to an image encoder, and it has an interface of two parts. First is the image transformer, and second is the LLM. So the first part, it extracts the output features from the image encoder and also takes the query embeddings as input. And the output what we get is a VIT, that is virtual transformer. And three types of losses have been calculated at the attention masking. First is the image text or contrastive loss, image text loss, and image text matching loss. So I'll tell you of one of the losses. So image text matching loss, in that the queries and the text generated can see each other, and a logic is being obtained to determine whether the text generated matches the image or not. So in this way, the Blip pre-trained model gives us the text information about an image.
So here's an example, like if you have an image, you will first create a caption of that image. And based on that caption, the model will know what the image is about. So when creating the caption, you can see here a man and a dog is sitting together. And if you would ask a question like, what is the dog wearing? Then you would get an answer of a pair of glasses. So this is how Blip model by Salesforce is built. On top of this, we have also created our front-end website for our Wanderlust chatbot. And here we are giving users some option to explore. And these options are provided by us. You can see there are multiple events which are advertised by a particular restaurant, a particular club, and they would tell on their advertisement that what things you can expect. And user can either click on this and get what things they can plan, or they can go to this assistant tab where it will redirect the user to our chatbot. And from here, again, whatever things user wants to ask, they can ask as ask to our travel assistant. So that was it from us. Thank you so much.